Daja hao, ni hao. Woda Mengza Priyanka, Woda Yindur, and so today we are at Chili Market Yard. So this is the biggest market yard for only Teja S17. So you can see all the market yard. So actually it is already 9 o'clock morning in India. So all this, I mean, all the stock is already sold out. Today, rounding 60,000 bags have come to market because it's a Friday closing day. That is the reason less bags. So each bag weighs like around 50 kgs. This is also sold out. So they are waiting to just stitch it. So sir, konjam okkasari just to take a video. So today, let me just tell you about the quality. Okay, so actually this is sold out at 128 rupees for Indian kg. So let me ask exporter. He is also an exporter, so he exports to Bangladesh, Vietnam, Thailand, and many other countries. So let us ask sir about the quality and see what he says. So sir, what do you think about the quality of this chili?
Quality will looks like this.
Okay, so sir is saying that it looks like best quality. So it will go for stem cutting or farmer pack. Can we go directly for farmer pack for this?
Yeah, it is possible for the farmer.
Yeah, because the moisture is around 10 to 12%. According to export standards, this moisture level is acceptable. So that is the reason this can directly go farmer packing without any grading. We can directly send to China because mostly it is exported to China. So we can directly send to China, and also we can even stem cut it. Like we can process it in stem cut and then send it. So this lot is sold out. So this is going to warehouse now. So even there are many other lots, many type of varieties. So this is another type of variety. So this is a little bit lower grade. Yeah, this is moisture is there. So if you see, there is a moisture. So in this moisture is there. So this is little bit less price also. So what type of quality is this?
Medium.
So this is medium best. You can see this is a medium best quality. Yeah. So actually, coming to deluxe qualities, the bags coming for deluxe qualities has decreased because the prices are now less in the market. So they are just going to the cold storage just to see that the prices might increase further. So yeah, thank you so much. If you have any export orders, we can do it for you for Teja or any other varieties. Also, we can do it for you. If you have any orders, do let us know. Just I will give you our contact information. 1 second. Yeah. So this is our company name, Genie Mama Impacts Private Limited, and this is the number. So you can see the number and all. You can contact here if you need. Thank you.